Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Microservices interview questions. Today's interview question is, which design patterns are used in microservices? The most commonly used design patterns are database per service, API gateway, service discovery, circuit breaker, Saga and CQRS patterns. These design patterns are mostly used in microservices applications. Now let's understand each one. First one is database per service pattern. Here each microservice has its own database. For example, the user service, order service, and product service each can maintain separate databases. Next, why database service pattern is used? Because it provides data isolation, independent schema changes, and better security. Next, second design pattern is API gateway pattern. The API gateway acts as a single entry point for all client requests. Means all front-end requests, first it will come to API gateway. Example, when a user opens an e-commerce application, the request first it goes to the API gateway. Then it forwards it to the user order or product service. For example, in Spring Boot application, we commonly used API gateway is Spring Cloud Gateway. Next, why API gateway pattern is used? Because it simplifies client communication and handles authentication, routing, logging, and filtering. Next, third design pattern is service discovery pattern. Here, services register with a service registry like Eureka or Consul. Example, when the payment service want to call the order service, it gets the order location from Eureka instead of using a hard-coded URL. Next, why service discovery pattern is used? Because it enables dynamic service discovery, it removes hard-coded endpoints, and it improves scalability and flexibility. Next, fourth design pattern is circuit breaker pattern. It prevents a service from calling a failing service continuously. Means if a service keeps failing, the circuit breaker temporarily stops sending requests. Example, if the payment service is down, the order service won't continuously call it. Instead, the circuit breaker returns a fallback response. Next, why circuit breaker pattern is used? Because it avoids cascading failures and improves system resilience and provides better fault tolerance. Most commonly used library is Resilience 4J. Next, fifth design pattern is Saga pattern. Saga manages distributed transactions across multiple services. Example, when placing an order, the order service, payment service, and inventory service work together. If payment fails after the order is created, Saga performs a compensation transaction and roll back the order. Next, why Saga pattern is used? It maintains a data consistency, handles failures gracefully, and is useful to distributed transactions. Next, sixth design pattern is a CQRS pattern. CQRS stands for Command Query Responsibility Segregation. It separates read and write operations, improves performance and scalability. Example is placing an order is a write operation, while view order history is read operation. Next, why CQRS design pattern is used? It provides optimized performance, better scalability, and better separation of concerns. Next, real-time example. As shown in the image, an e-commerce application has user service, product service, order service, payment service, and notification service. By using these design patterns, each service becomes independent, scalable, resilient, and easy to maintain. Next, in interview you can answer like this. Microservices uses several design patterns to solve distributed system challenges and improve scalability, resilience, and maintainability. The most commonly used design patterns are database per service, API gateway, service discovery, circuit breaker, Saga pattern, and CQRS. These patterns help in building robust and production ready microservices applications. That's all for today's interview question. If you found this helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for more real-time interview questions.